So I'm gonna draw or try to draw a body with perspective and using shapes for the guideline. And yeah, also keep you guys updated on that. And I'm practicing forehand because I got an interesting idea. You see, I wanna make it like basically the camera angle from basically from here showing up, so it's gonna be half down showing up towards the character. Then I'm gonna draw a hand here. So basically this is gonna be a hand. And yeah, I know I really messed up with the one eye because yeah, it's too late. I already did that pen by mistake.